Zero to Geek. Learning better is better. Hey geeks.
And dolls.
So welcome back, and today we're going to really quickly go through as a rehearsal over tags, and the tag we're going to be focusing on in this video is the HTML tag. What can you tell about the HTML tag to our students, Mama?
Well, it's a wrapper. It doesn't really do anything, but you need it.
Gotta have it. So let's just get to it. It's really easy. So let's move on to our screen monitor. I'll grab my keyboard, and literally all you have to do is type HTML, close your bracket, and then close HTML. And we've just completed creating our first HTML tag. Wow, that was easy, right, Mom?
Yes, it was.
So, that's it. So we'll see you in our next video when we cover our next tag.
Please subscribe to us, we love you so much. Please.